Google has officially shifted its focus from the classic Google Assistant to Gemini, marking one of the biggest AI upgrades in Android history. Unlike the traditional voice assistant, Gemini understands complex conversations, analyzes text, images, files, and code, and provides more intelligent, context-aware responses. With deep integration across Gmail, Google Docs, Maps, YouTube, and other Google services, Gemini is designed to help users complete tasks faster and more efficiently than ever before. The transition from Google Assistant to Gemini is more than a simple name change, it's a major leap toward a smarter AI experience. Whether you're writing emails, planning trips, solving coding problems, or generating creative content, Gemini offers advanced reasoning and multimodal capabilities that make everyday tasks easier. If you're wondering whether Gemini is worth the upgrade, this guide explains why millions of users are embracing Google's next-generation AI assistant and how it compares to the Google Assistant you already know.